are so many memories of our childhood, but there is one that I treasure more than all. It was the time at the old camp meeting, that wonderful day I heard Jesus call down the Sawdust trail at the old camp meeting, where sinners cried, rang with travail. How the fog did fall when my prayers reached heaven at the old camp meeting down the Sawdust trail. I saw my dear old broken-hearted mother on her knees with her head bowed low in prayer, and it was for me that she was praying, praying that I would find Jesus there down the Sawdust trail at the old camp meeting, where sinners cried, language travail. How the fire did fall when my prayers reached heaven at the old camp meeting down the Sawdust trail, at the old camp meeting down the Sawdust trail.